Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Today we are making a super cute and easy watermelon cake. We're going to make the inside of the cake look like watermelon, and it's super easy and simple, guys. So all you do is we just dye that batter pink, red, watermelon color, however you guys want to do it. Then we're going to add some mini chocolate chips to this fun red batter so that when we cut into this cake, it looks like a watermelon. We're going to throw a few extra mini chocolate chips right on top of these, cakes in their cake pan, and just to make it a little bit more fun and watermelon-y when it comes out. Yes, I said watermelon-y. And we're just going to frost our cake. We're going to stack it. We are going to crumb coat it. We're going to add our cardboard round, and we are going to get it nice and smooth. Remember, I have tutorials on how to do the crumb coat and the final coat. We're then going to put a little bit of green texture on the bottom of the cake. We just kind of spread it around and then smooth it out with our cake comb. Smooth out the top. For this fun watermelon cake, we are doing a non-controlled drip. So that means we're just getting the spoon and we're just going crazy with the drip. We're not controlling it, we're just kind of throwing it on the top of that cake and just letting it drip wherever it wants. This is called an uncontrolled drip, and it's super fun to do this. Alright, and then we're going to do that fun border across that watermelon cake. What's a watermelon cake without watermelon sprinkles? Then we're going to cut it, and let's see how this fun watermelon cake looks inside. Cutest watermelon cake. I love that it's watermelon on the inside too. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel.